This tiny Firebat A8 just replaced my gaming rig, and my boss is furious. Ever feel like your so-called fast PC is secretly plotting against you? You click, it freezes. You load a game, it crashes. Projects get delayed, your mood tanks, and motivation? Poof, gone. Wasting hours on lag, juggling unreliable tools, and drowning in distractions is soul-crushing. You know you could do better if your machine would just keep up. Deadlines pile up like a Jenga tower ready to fall. Stress spikes, your coffee goes cold, and burnout creeps in while you're still stuck loading a file. You miss opportunities, projects you could have aced, games you could have won, because your setup can't handle the heat. Every second wasted is a hit to your momentum and your sanity. Meet the Firebat Mini PC Gaming OCuLink A8, a compact powerhouse that turns impossible into done. Imagine lightning-fast boot times, seamless switching between creative projects and intense gaming, and running 4 displays without breaking a sweat. Inside this shoebox-sized marvel lives 8 cores, 16 threads, Radeon 780M graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. OCuLink support means you can connect an external GPU with almost no performance loss, future-proofing your rig instantly. One streamer swears it saved their career. Their main PC died mid-broadcast, so they plugged in the Firebat A8 and were live again within minutes, with viewers praising the stream's flawless quality. Whether you're editing 4K footage, gaming at 1080p Ultra, or juggling demanding multitasks, this isn't just a mini PC. It's your no-compromise, always-ready command center for work and play. Tech reviewers call it a beast in a tiny package, and they're not wrong. Gamers gush over its buttery-smooth 1080p performance. Creators love the 4-screen output for real-time monitoring, and professionals swear by its dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN for zero-lag teamwork. Influencers say it's the rare mini PC that punches way above its weight. Picture this: editing 4K video while live streaming, managing a Zoom call, and browsing, all without stutter. Ever dreamed of zero bottlenecks? This is that dream. With HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB 4, you're set for the future from day one. And the OCuLink port? It's like a VIP pass to GPU upgrades whenever you crave more firepower. Why are people ditching their bulky towers for something the size of a lunchbox? Because once you see what this machine does, you'll realize space saving isn't the benefit, unstoppable performance is. Stock's running low, seriously. The Firebat A8 is flying off shelves because once people see it in action, they don't wait. Join the thousands already gaming harder, creating faster, and working smarter. No desk space? No problem. This thing fits anywhere, but won't stay available forever. Secure yours today, level up your setup, and finally break free from lag prison. Act now. The next sold-out sign could be for you.